Welcome back to Simple Pure Whole Wellness. Today I have a delicious holiday recipe for you of gingerbread chai spice grain-free cutout cookies. These grain-free cutout cookies are paleo, vegan, and gluten-free, with the flavors of chai spice and gingerbread making them perfect for the holidays without eggs, yeast, nuts, or dairy. These gingerbread chai spice cutout cookies have classic chai spice flavors intensified a few notches with some extra ginger, cloves, cardamom, nutmeg, and Ceylon cinnamon to emphasize the gingerbread flavors and add spice and warmth, making them perfect for any holiday celebration. The name alone conjures up warm holiday vibes and cozy deliciousness. Pair a few with some of my 2-minute immune-boosting creamy vegan hot chocolate, and you're ready for a cozy and healthy holiday snack. These delectable gingerbread chai spice grain-free cutout cookies are made with tiger nut flour, which offers a light, grain-free, nut-free cookie that holds together well. Flax or chia eggs provide a vegan egg substitute, while warming chai spices add fabulous flavor and health benefits. Start by mixing together your dry ingredients, some coconut flour and tiger nut flour, aluminum and cord-free baking powder, Ceylon cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, and a pinch of cloves and nutmeg. You'll add a little bit of sea salt, and then stir all your dry ingredients together well to combine. Then it's time to mix in the wet ingredients. Add some melted coconut oil, a flax or chia seed egg, some coconut nectar for sweetness, and applesauce. Stir well to combine all the dry and wet ingredients together into a dough. The dough should hold together well, making it suitable for rolling out. You may have to adjust the amount of liquid depending on which type of coconut flour you use. Then you're ready to roll out your dough and make your cutouts. Place them on a baking sheet, either lined with parchment or oiled with coconut oil, and bake them in a 350-degree oven. Allow them to cool at least 10 minutes on the cookie sheet and then remove to cool completely on a baking rack. The simple sugar-free icing for these cutout cookies adds a festive touch and a little extra sweetness. All you need to do is combine some softened coconut butter with a little bit of vanilla stevia. Then spread over the cooled cookies and allow to harden. If you want more options for decorating these festive holiday cutouts, I'll leave a link in the information box below to my blog, where I've provided some natural coloring options. I really hope you enjoy these vegan, grain-free gingerbread chai spice cutout cookies. I'll link below in the information box to some of my other favorite allergy-friendly Christmas cookie recipes. If you make any of these this holiday season, I'd love if you tag me on Twitter or Instagram. As always, I'm so grateful for your support, and I wish you and your family a warm and healthy holiday season. If you've enjoyed this, I hope you'll subscribe for more simple, pure, whole wellness.